As much as San Diego takes pride in our diverse communities and strives towards a greener future for everyone, lower-income communities, made up of mostly minorities, are disproportionately affected by climate change and pollution. This is called environmental racism. One of these communities is Barrio, Logan. Due to the housing shortage in 1933, the government adopted redlining policies to provide white, middle, and lower-class families with housing opportunities. Essentially, this policy prevented Black, immigrant, and minority families from buying homes in certain areas. This continued until the passing of the Fair Housing Act in 1963. However, the demographics of the different areas in San Diego did not change for a while. Therefore, freeways, highways, and industrial infrastructure continued to be built in the areas where predominantly minorities lived, since the white people had a majority of the city development power. One of these areas became Barrio Logan, and in 1967, the Coronado Bridge was built, and Interstate 5 was built bisecting the Barrio Logan neighborhood.
The people of Barrio Logan face environmental racism. This neighborhood was a big Chicano community before San Diego built the Coronado Bridge and shipyards. Ever since this construction, families who grow up in Barrio Logan begin to be diagnosed with asthma due to the bad air quality. According to the EPA and the Environmental Health Coalition, Barrio Logan had an asthma hospitalization rate that is around 2.5 times that of the national average. They face some of the worst air quality in San Diego. This is not just an issue in Barrio Logan. Environmental racism impacts many communities around the United States due to the decade-old redlining policies. Although these policies have since been removed, their effects are still in motion. Lower-income minority communities are targeted and receive more pollution than predominantly white neighborhoods. It is time we start talking about this.
To us, climate justice means justice for our planet and justice for humanity. All people, regardless of race, ethnicity, and socioeconomic status, deserve equal opportunity and deserve to live in areas where they are protected from environmental racism to climate change, because the more we hurt our planet, the harder it's going to be for our human race to survive. Environmental racism is a large-scale issue, so here are some solutions. Support disaster preparedness efforts in your community so that if a disaster does occur, lower-income communities will have the help they need. Also, donate to local charities that support these communities. And finally, do your part to reduce your carbon footprint so we can fight climate change together.